Good afternoon and welcome to this episode of Manufacturing Happy Hour. Today you are going to learn what digital transformation is and what it specifically means to the manufacturing industry. I am joined by Kyle Reissner here at Rockwell Automation Tech Ed in San Diego, California. He is our digital customer experience leader. Cheers, Kyle.
Cheers.
Welcome to the show.
Nice to be here.
So this is actually going to be a two-part video because, Kyle, you and I were talking before the video, there are actually two different ways that you can think of digital transformation, two angles. So Kyle, what are those two angles?
Well, the first angle is really about how we enable customers on their plant floors to transform their operations with digital tools. Right?
Okay.
Make better decisions, drive real value for their plants, for their products, and for their users. The second one is really about how we as an automation partner with our customers and how we transform how you experience our services, how you discover our products, and how you really engage with us as an automation partner.
Okay, so if I were to summarize, it sounds like plant floor and customer experience.
Right.
So let's talk about plant floor today.
Yeah, in the plant floor, what we really want our customers to think about is how they can identify the problem that needs to be solved and work backwards from there. You know, because tools for the sake of tools or features for the sake of features really don't matter if they're not solving a problem.
Yep.
And if we identify that maintenance needs this type of problem solved, or you can avoid a quality issue by utilizing some analytic tools,
yeah,
the output is what we're after, and that's what we're coaching our customers to do.
Yeah, the outcome is always the most important versus data for the sake of data, tools for the sake of tools, like you said. What would be a concrete tool as like a call to action that our customers could check out today?
One of the things we really learned with our customers is we have to integrate people's knowledge into this new era of digital transformation and industrial IoT.
Yep.
And one of the tools that you can walk away right now and go use is FactTalk Team One. It's a free app that people can download on iTunes or Google Play.
Okay.
And they can create a team. I get some really basic level understanding of what's going on in the process, and use it as a tool to collaborate across the team to solve problems quicker.
Love that. So I will have a link to Factory Talk Team 1 below this. Make sure you check that out. We've got another video coming at you right after this regarding the customer experience side of digital transformation. In the meantime, Kyle, thanks so much for being on the show today.
Thanks, Russ. Appreciate it.
Cheers.
Cheers.
To the rest of you guys out there, stay innovative, stay thirsty, and we'll see you back here on Manufacturing Happy Hour real soon. Cheers.